All right, this is Zane's birthday present. He is holding on to a launch controller for a Red Ryder rocket. Now this right here is a mount. After this first firing, we might add a camera to it. We're gonna see how it goes. All right, Zane, you ready?
But it won't go on.
That's right. Daddy will help you. All right, so I will hold this button. Here, I'll hold this one. So we turn on the red light. That's a safety light. Move your finger, please. All right, see? Now, whenever you're ready, you're gonna hit this button right here, okay? All right. And the red light, is the red light on? Okay. All right, press it whenever you want to. Oh, got stuck. All right, take two. All right, we've reset. We're gonna try again. All right, come back a little bit. You have a little bit of extra wire. Okay.
Is it on?
Oh yeah, you already have the red light on. All right, you got it? All right, go ahead whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
All right, press it. Well, all right. It kind of did something weird with just the mount on. This is the last rocket engine, but I'm putting the camera on anyways, just so we can see what will happen, and it's recording. All right, we got the camera mounted to the rocket. Zane is playing with Chloe. There we go. Here. All right, Zane, you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Well, we need a bigger rocket, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need a bigger rocket.
So.
But was that fun?
So.
Huh?
Why won't this rocket go out into space?
It's too small to go into outer space.
Why?
But we can get more. We can get bigger ones. They won't go into outer space, but we can get more to try. You want to play with some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, say thank you to Terry for your gift. Hey, look at me. There you go. Say thank you to Terry for your gift.
Thank you, Terry, for my gift.